Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Chelsea, and today will be part 2 of reading mean comments that I have received from not only John Kuckian trolls, but like other trolls as well. But if you want to see part 1, click up there on the little eye drop down. It'll have the thing to number 1, but you should totally watch this one first if you want. They're not like directly related. I don't know. Either one. Whatever you want. If you would like to know what makeup look I am wearing, how I did this, what it is, what's happening, why I look like this, then feel free to look in the description box. I posted a makeup tutorial on this, and it will have all of the products I used in the description box of that video. So check that out. So please subscribe, because I'm needy, and give this video a thumbs up, and let's just like get on into it because there's some pretty good ones. Aaliyah Rose says, "You are so dumb. Like, girl, get off YouTube already." Thanks, girl, but I think I'll stay a while. Lily Sanchez says, "I don't like John, but you're rude as fuck." Well, so if I gathered anything from the last reading mean comments video that I did, it was that his demographic is like 5 years old. And keep in mind, these mean comments aren't, or rude comments, troll comments, whatever you want to call them, aren't just directed towards like the videos I did on him. They were like all over. So from reading these, what I'm understanding is that I'm a bitch. Which, if being assertive and being blunt and not sugarcoating things and just being me and being real is being a bitch, if that's like a synonym for that, I'll own it, whatever. If I was a guy, you would just be saying that I'm assertive. So good job on that one. Julia Johnson said, "Hating a person versus their fan base is very different." Yeah, we know, girl. We get it. I don't like him or his fan base. What's your point? "Some of his viewers could have been some of yours too. You don't know any of those people, and to fucking generalize a group of people based on the videos they watch is fucking bullshit." This is when your girl snapped. "How about you shut the fuck up and sit your ass down?" I am sitting down, actually. Who films a video standing up? Who am I, Liza Koshy? "You're a fucking stuck-up bitch." Actually, I'm pretty down-to-earth with things. "And you're saying that whoever calls you out for being rude shouldn't be on the internet, but you're calling people out. So shouldn't you not be on the internet? P.S. I don't like him anymore, so no, I'm not a fan of his, but I am definitely not a fucking fan of you." That's great, girl. After all that, I don't want you to be a fan of me. He can keep you. Lily says, "Excuse you. You are stupid and dumb." Those mean the same thing, so way to go, girl. Way to be redundant. "I follow him because all you people do is talk about him, giving him fame. You and the rest of the people talking about him are stupid because it makes the viewers curious to go see. Shut the fuck up and rephrase what you say, calling some of your viewers these names." I think I might have included this one in my other video. I can't remember though, but this girl doesn't make any sense. Calling some of your viewers these names, I'm not calling my viewers those names. I mean, I guess if one of his viewers was to watch my video, then sure, but who cares? Get over it. Jesus. Kids, let's take a nap. Axel Perez, that's actually a badass name. I wonder if that's his real name. I'm like creating a life for him in my head. He's gay, he has a husband, he has 3 dogs. He went to Catholic school and it was like really hard for him to come out. And he's just like really happy, and he works in PR and marketing. Why do I do this? Anyways, he's super cute in his little picture, but he doesn't like me, so it doesn't matter. So he says, "You're mean as fuck. You sound so sarcastic." Yeah, that's me. "Aw, our big sister. Who believe people this days? Shit." Just stop it, please. Axel, your name's really cool. You look real cute. Don't be this guy on the internet. So Apricot Curls says, "Wow, you seem so mean."
Listen, Peach Zigzag, I'm not mean. I'm actually nice. Just because I say something that you don't agree with doesn't mean that I'm mean. Thanks. ASMR.
Marion Bramhall says, "I don't like or hate Kuckian, but you come off as a bitch." Yeah, lady, we've been there. we've heard it all before. Let's move on. Forever Sophie, I'm assuming that X is supposed to be an O, says, I hope this video lost you subscribers, X. Actually, it gained me about 6,000 subscribers. Actually, my personality gained me 6,000 subscribers, but sorry, girl, it didn't. Diana Berlin says, girl, no professional YouTuber talks like that. Could you be more trying to act extra? Bye. So I'm not trying to act extra. This is me. I don't think I'm really being extra. And also, good thing I'm not a professional YouTuber. And even so, like, being a professional YouTuber, that just means that YouTube is your only job and you make, like, that is your profession. There's a difference between workplace professionalism, like I've said in my videos before, and YouTube professionalism. Got it, Diana? Diana Hong Kong? Pineapples says, if he's that type of person, what does that make you? Well, strawberries, it makes me pretty fabulous and not a horrible person. Okay. Can we just get past the point where we call the person who's calling out a bully an awful person? An awful person? Like, can we get past that, please? Because it doesn't make you the same. Nicole Sir something says, you almost had a new subscriber, but nope, not after you calling people dumb for subscribing to his channel. Go yourself. I don't want you here anyways, girl. Keep it moving. Go to someone else. Because if you can't read the description box or the pinned comment before you comment, bye. Our girl Nina says, maybe you should go back to therapy and let this go.
Nina, just so you know, going to therapy is healthy. And I see my psychiatrist every 2 months. So, yeah. And I'm not gonna let this go. Thanks.
MC says, you sound really bitter. I can see that. We're done. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed and got a little chuckle out of people attempting to be mean to me. Again, do not engage with trolls. Do not send any hate to anyone, please. It's just a waste of your own time. And also, you don't know what those people are going through. So be nice. Don't be a dick. It's not that hard. But also, don't engage with these people in my comment section. I will sometimes, just because, like, sometimes it's entertaining for me. If it's not, like, super rude. I don't know. I go back and forth between... Why am I stuck? What's happening? I go back and forth between the mentality of, like, don't pay them any mind, like, don't engage with them at all, to, like, just shutting them up. But then again, if you don't give, like, rude people the attention that they want, like, I don't know. If you give them attention, like, they got what they want, you know? Because then they think that they actually affected you, which none of this shit affects me. Because I don't care. I know who I am. I know I'm not a bitch. I know that I can come off that way. Like many people say, real recognizes real. So if you're intimidated by my attitude and you think that I'm a bitch because I don't sugarcoat things, I'm not going to apologize for being myself. All right. So like I said, the part 1 of this video will be in the description box. This makeup tutorial will be in the description box and also up in like this little corner over here. I really hope y'all are enjoying the more structured upload schedule that I'm on. Keep in mind, in case you forgot, I upload every Tuesday, sometimes Wednesday, because I'm doing a Wine Wednesday Storytime series, so I guess that's happening. So really every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So 4 times a week. If I miss a Wednesday here and there, not a huge deal, but I'm trying to post, like I definitely will post 3 times a week, sometimes 4. Just depends how like sassy I'm feeling. So have a wonderful day. I hope your 2018 is like what you wanted it to be. And I hope you are doing everything that you should be doing to make yourself feel better and accomplish those goals that you set for yourself if you did set any. So hope you all have a great day and night, weekend, whatever day you're watching this, I don't know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!